I'm so hungry, I can eat a dog.
So, what do you think? You wanna...
You know you're old as hell when you need to lean on the wall, because you can't stand up for that long.
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you. I never told you my name.
Gus, do you know who Jesus is?
Morning, Stitch. Are you ready to get out of bed? No?
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Tractor, washing machine, car, num num.
Hey, we don't bark this early. Now, what did I just say?
Kona, it doesn't concern you. Kona, just go back to sleep. Thank you.